Welcome to KuCoin, your gateway to cryptocurrency trading. Let's embark on this journey to crypto success. Setting up your account is quick and easy. I'll walk you through the steps to get started. KuCoin offers diverse trading products. We'll explore spot, margin, and futures trading options. Learn to navigate the trading interface, read charts, understand order books, and place trades like a pro. We'll decode essential technical indicators to help you predict market trends and make informed decisions. Master pivot points to identify key support and resistance levels for strategic trading decisions. Unlock the power of Fibonacci trading to forecast price movements like a seasoned trader. Looking beyond charts is essential. We'll dive into fundamental analysis for more informed decision-making. Understanding maximum supply is crucial in cryptocurrency valuation. Learn why it matters for your trading strategy. Explore KuCoin's multi-layered security features to keep your crypto assets safe and secure. Discover why KuCoin's robust liquidity is a major advantage for traders of all levels. Leverage KuCoin's educational resources and demo mode to keep improving your trading skills. Ready to start your crypto journey? Click the link below to create your KuCoin account now.